this video, let's talk about is it safe to run wheel spacers on your Maserati. Let's go. Using Maserati wheel spacers is safe and good. Just make sure to buy quality spacers that are half-century and have them installed correctly. They should have used a torque wrench on the lug when installing the spacers, as long as each lug bolt is tightened to the correct torque specification. There won't be any potential failure point. Wheel spacers contribute to an incremental improvement in handling and stability because of the increased tread width from the wheel being pushed further out. They are no different from a set of offset rims. You can run Maserati wheel spacers on a racing or street car with zero issues. In addition, spacers enlarge the inner wheel's clearance so that rider tires can be safely mounted. This makes your car look really nice. Correct fitment of the Maserati wheel spacers is the highest priority to ensure driving safety. When it comes to safe spacers, precision can be interpreted as quality. It is one of the keys to success in producing Maserati wheel spacers. In short, the higher the precision, the better the surface quality, and the better the spacers can fit on the vehicle hub. Hence, there is less chance of vibration or rubbing. Bonus wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the external structure of the spacer denser and firmer. The machining accuracy of bonus wheel spacers reaches a tolerance of 0.02 mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.